Alright everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name's Montana and I post weekly. This week I am going to be doing a Princess Polly first impression haul. I ordered 2 pieces of clothing from here and a pair of earrings, and I know that's not a lot to do a review on, but I just wanted to review the quality. I wanted to review how my experience was with shipping and everything, customer service, how my payments processed. I know I had a hard time with a Pretty Little Thing. I wanted to review like the prices and if it's worth it. So I know I don't have a lot to review, but I just wanted to like I said, review the quality and my experience because I had a great experience with Princess Polly. You're gonna get to see me try on the clothes first, and then the review will come later in the video. So keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get into this. Yeah, I'm doing this next portion with my glasses on just so I can see. Okay, so it comes with a thing and it says, "Heads up babe, sizing on your purchase." Just to let you know, our clothes generally have Australian sizing on the garment labels. Our website converts to US sizing, which may look different to the Australian size printed on the tag. Try it on as normal and you're always welcome to return it if it doesn't fit right. Stay tuned for US sizing on garment labels soon. So that came with it, and then it came with a return form in case I want to return it. So that was nice. So I got the Midnight Madness mini dress in wine, and it says size 8 on it. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. So here it is. It's like adorable. I actually ordered a dress just like this from Pretty Little Thing, but I wasn't sure which one would fit me, especially because I didn't think this one would be stretchy material, and it's not, but it has a zip in the back that's completely invisible. I couldn't even see it on the pictures online, which I tried to find it, but it is so cute. So I'm really excited to try that on. Honestly, with the quality, it's very thin and flowy, but doesn't look like there's anything wrong with it. It looks like it's made well. I feel like it doesn't look like something from Forever 21, which I love Forever 21. But just with the way that the zipper is, it has like that really nice zipper that a lot of more expensive things have on them, I guess. Actually, on here it does say US 4. So it has a US size on here. So yeah, I'm really excited to try that on. I'm hoping that I got the right size because it looks like it's gonna fit. The next thing that I got was the Waverly Floral Tie-Up Blouse. And I got this in, again, wine, size 8. Now you probably won't be able to see what this looks like exactly, just because I have to tie it up. Okay. So this is what it looks like, and it's tied here, which I don't really know why it's tied in the front like that, because it's supposed to tie like here, but it is very thin, like incredibly see-through. And again, oh, this one doesn't have the US size on it, but I guess it's a size 4 since the other one was size 8. But, I mean, again, the quality of this does feel really nice, and even though it's incredibly see-through, I think this will be really nice for the summer. It's going to be really lightweight, especially because this is long sleeve. Oh, this is so cute. There's a little button at the bottom of the sleeve. You can see that. So it buttons here. I think this is going to be really cute in the summer, especially at night, because if it's kind of like warm, but kind of like, you know, getting chilly, it's like a long sleeve and it's flowy, but you know you won't be too warm. So, and I love the pattern. It's really nice. Material feels very nice. Again, definitely couldn't get this at a cheaper store. The material does feel high-end. Last but not least, I ordered the natural shell hoop earrings in gold. Just because I've been seeing them trend online, and I've really wanted a pair of these. I wanted to try them out. So I get to test at least like the jewelry, tops, and dresses. Okay, so the earrings do feel a little kind of like plasticky. I didn't pay anything crazy for them. I'll definitely be able to wear them. And they're cute. I mean, I paid like $10 for them. What did I expect? But they're still like really cute. You can kind of hear the rattling, and it sounds like plastic. here they are. I am really excited to wear these though. Can't tell if the shells are even real. I don't think that they are. I don't think the shells are real either. But like I said, I mean, they're earrings. I feel like you can definitely get away with wearing cheap jewelry sometimes. Especially if you're not like wearing them like swimming or anything. I mean, I am going to be wearing them at the shore, but I'm not going underwater or anything. Okay, so my experience with Princess Polly was amazing. I ordered a package from Levi's, 2 Amazon packages, a package from Forever 21, and a Pretty Little Thing package. This one came first. My Forever 21 package got shipped out from California and it's still not here. It won't arrive until later this week. Princess Polly is an Australian brand and somehow their package got here before any of the other products did, and I bought everything on the same day. So I was very, very pleased with that. The quality was amazing. I'm definitely going to be shopping here again. Like, this is my new favorite place to shop, especially because I don't have to wait 2 weeks to get my clothes. I have to wait a few days and it's here. I will be sending back the red top and I will be going up a size just because the material was a little tight around my underarms. So, I mean, I guess I should have sized up. Now for the red dress. This dress fit me perfectly. I loved the way it fit and I sized up in this, and I usually size up in dresses just because I have a larger chest. I mean, some people might not think I do, but I have a larger chest for my size body, so I definitely always need to size up because I pop out of shirts that button up, and a lot of times they just don't have enough stretch for my bust. So I was really happy and surprised that with my first order, I found a dress that fit me perfectly, because I feel like dresses are kind of hit or miss. They either fit your waist and legs and not your bust, or they fit your bust but they're too big everywhere else because you had to size up. Okay, so for the dress, I paid $34.45. It's a bit much for a sundress, or like more than I've ever paid for a sundress. However, it fits me so well and it's made so well that I would pay for it again. But to get something that fits you really nice, I think is important. I mean, obviously, but when you find a place that has good quality clothes and the fit is perfect to your body. I'm sorry, you're gonna be hearing my dog bark and TV and everything. My dog's having surgery tomorrow. He can do whatever he wants tonight. So as I was saying, it's important when you find a place where the clothes fit you so perfectly, because just finding clothes that fit you perfectly is worth the price, in my opinion. It's not always easy to find clothes that fit our body types. I mean, our bodies are all different shapes and sizes, and to find something somewhere that fits you, that's worth it, in my opinion. So shipping was amazing. The prices are a little expensive, but the quality is great, so that doesn't really matter. I'm sorry guys, you can hear barking, you can hear the TV, you can hear trains probably, and my mom coughing. I'm really sorry about all of this. I picked a bad time to film. The earrings, I love the earrings, and I can easily switch out the charm and just put them on my other gold hoops if I'm not happy with the way that these gold hoops feel in my ears. They don't really bother me though, and just because they feel a little bit more like plastic, I don't think there's a problem with them. I'd buy them again, and I would buy jewelry from here again. So overall, I had a great shipping experience. It got here faster than any of my packages did that were shipped out of the US, and this was shipped from another country. The quality is great. The fit of their clothes are great. Even though the one top was way too small for me, it still looked really good. Like, it looked really good on me. So the fit was great, quality was great, and would I buy here from again? Absolutely. This is my new favorite store, and I'm in love with Princess Polly. They have amazing stuff, but unfortunately their stuff seems to sell out very fast. However, I'm realizing I can, you know, kind of mess with the sizes and get between like a size 4 or 8. So that's really good for me. One thing I forgot to talk about was the transaction and how that worked out. So I realized and figured out for both Pretty Little Thing and Princess Polly that you just have to pay through PayPal so it doesn't come up as fraud. That's what I did for my most recent Pretty Little Thing order for it to go through, and as like both orders went through the first time I tried PayPal.
So I didn't have any problems with Princess Polly with the payment process. It was just pay through PayPal and you're done. It goes right through. So I just wanted to let you know that because I forgot to touch base on that in this video. I don't know why I forgot that, but I did.
But yeah, I'm like so happy about this. This is starting off my spring and summer season really, really well, because I'm so excited to wear that dress and the top and everything. Even like I'm exchanging the size for it. I love the top. I'm getting a different size in it though. And I love my earrings. I mean, I had to keep on wearing them for the rest of this video because I love them. So yeah, if you like this video, give this a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. I have a ton of spring and summer videos coming up. Comment below, tell me which piece was your favorite, and tell me what other stores you want to see hauls from, or what other stores you want me to review. Subscribe, turn on that notification bell, go on over and check out my Instagram and my blog. I have a ton of content over there, and I break down all of my outfits over on my blog, so you can see all my outfits and my monthly favorites and anything that I love right now. I will check you back next week. Bye.